you know, Chengdu's got to be music town in China. That's a good thing, and it's a good thing if it happens. Yeah, if he records in the control room, then he can do.
I mean, when you record the keyboard part,
yeah,
then he just with us with drum, bass, and guitars.
Yeah,
together.
Yes, but also if he's in the control room, he can do a guide vocal at the same time.
The freedom. Freedom. Maybe start with freedom.
I want to put the piano tone and the organ tone. So
yeah,
if I play, I want
over down.
So you play the piano first.
Yes.
The piano straight skank.
Yes.
Just skank. No, I think regular way.
Regular way.
关于这次录音，我觉得首先对于我来说，是我的就是真正意义上做唱片的第一次，就是我进这个棚。对我来说，我觉得很特别，因为真的是人生当中，就是我今年也30了，马上31了。我觉得在这个点上，就是有这样一个事情，我觉得真的是，就我老了以后想这个事，我觉得绝对是很爽的。
这个乐队就是大家在一起排练还是有3年了，这是乐队的第1张专辑，所以说大家都很重视这次的专辑的录制。
I listened to some of the music from the band in London, and I was immediately impressed and really excited to do the job. So I arrived 21st of January. The next day we went to the band's rehearsal place, and we ran through the tracks, and we talked about all of the songs that we were going to record, and we made a few changes, and immediately it was a good vibe with the band, and they were excited to have somebody from outside come in with no history with the band and just take an objective look at what the material was and how we could approach doing a record.
Reggae music， 我觉得就是肯定是关于爱 ，peace， 然后一个很放松的音乐。我开始接触到这个音乐之后，我觉得它对我生活中，我觉得还是有很大的一些影响，更多的是一种 positive， 就积极的东西在里面。
我的耳机听不到那个编辑的声音。
哦，有点小，编辑有点。
那个鼓听不到，就是他自己编辑的声音。
这样子。
哎，那个外头有没有人哦？
还听不到。
然后把他那个耳机电给开启。
哪一个是那样？
后来嘛，
不要点了。
要点，可能等一下，好像那个，因为那个说他想检查一下那个 overhead 的那个串音。
对。
现在解决。
对，让他听一下。So do you want to listen to it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Only the overhead.
再来哈。
这边就是音频下。还好啊。
还好啊，好就对。
Everybody really enjoyed. The band is new to recording. It's the first time they've been in a proper studio, so that was really exciting. It's always nice to be with the band when the experience is new for them. Obviously, that makes it even more special. For some bands, you know, they record every day or they have their own studio, and it's not special to them. It's not a big deal. Whereas this was a big deal, and it was. I think the music will show that the band were really excited to put down these tracks.
歌就是有很多是就之前我们现场没有演的歌，因为当时可能觉得想带给大家那种更快乐一些的东西，所以我们就现场演出的时候都选了大部分的都是那种大调一点的歌，所以听起来稍微阳光一点。但是我们写了很多，其实还算是比较阴暗一点的吧，那些歌，但是都没有演过，都也没有录，只是排过。然后这一次，因为这次录这个专辑有了一个制作人，然后所以我们得把所有的作品都丢给他听一下，然后他其实更建议我们把这些东西全部都放在一起，然后做成这个专辑。所以我想可能这个对我们来说是一个转折点，会带给大家一些很不一样的东西。
他可能想要的不是说你非要把它一个东西完成得很好，一定要打得很好，主要的就是感觉这个东西对他来说可能很重要。你要准的同时，你要把那个感觉、情绪带进去。
他的这种工作方式让我们觉得很舒服，然后大家就能更好地投入到音乐和录音里面去。
通过这次我们邀请到了这个 Nick， 然后真正接触到这位哥老倌以后，我们发现哇，他真的是做事认真，然后有态度。他已经51岁，按理说他其实这个身体就每天工作太久，其实已经不合适。但是昨天他工作了15个小时，就我觉得从另一方面来说，他真的是一个，我甚至觉得他比我们还认真，真的对这个事情。
我们头几天这2天进棚录音，就感觉非常期待这张专辑。不知道他会给我们做成什么样子。
Go again. I thought it fell apart a bit in the middle 8. I thought it falls down. It falls down in the middle 8. I think it was no good.
So we'll try again?
Yeah. Yeah, one more.
I also want to overdub the piano part. Have the feel.
When you stop and then you go it's deliberate. You mean to do this? You intend to do this? To stop and then go Yes. The little stop.
哎，对。
我们跟制作人商量之后，就跟以前有一些小的变化，但是基本上都是就是保留我们之前那些创作的那些东西，先以那个为基础，把那些先保存下来，然后要加的东西其实也不多，基本上就是保留音乐的本身嘛。
因为 Nick 他也一直在抓那种时候嘛，就是大家状态都非常一致的那种时候，就那种时候，就那种出现的那个时机，我感觉是不一定的，就有的时候那种状态会出现在第一遍就出来了，但有的时候那种状态会就是2、3遍过后，然后再出来。
在往前走，然后越来越多的人可能就会苏醒过来，会 我觉得我们做音乐可能更多的也是，这个也是我们自己的一个意义。对，虽然说不是为了让你的歌让更多的人听到，也是对自己的生命的一个答案。
This is so from the hell. This is so from my way.
也是因为我们都是就生活在同一个城市里面，都是那种就是钢筋丛林嘛 ，concrete jungle， 就是这种感觉，所以我们需要有一些这些能量来给予我们支持，让我们不会被这种很冷的东西影响太多。
不仅要做那种阳光的，我觉得也该做一些阴暗的，然后你能让自己就是释放出来，然后那些心里面的那些反正各种不爽，然后如果能把它很好的放在音乐里面的话，我觉得哇，这是一个很了不起的事情，我觉得，而且站在台上的话，才是真正的就是有那种100%的自信，这就是我想要说的。
Please take me away, just fly away from here. Please take me away.
如果真的想把这个做好的话，而且你又不能改变你身边的环境，你就只能改变你的对音乐的看法，对身边这些事情的看法，把你自己全投入到那个里面，不去关心那些干扰你的事情。所以就不用花那些浪费时间在那些上面，就投入到音乐里面就行。
Take me away. I'm just singing to myself.
，OK， 给我们制作人去拿个酒，爱喝红酒，还有白兰地。哪天？
一瓶还是2瓶？那就买2瓶吧，明天就。For me, it's an exciting time to come to China to make a reggae, ska, reggae-ish record is a good time because I think this is a new thing in China, and I really hope that the people will like the record and the record will do well, and I hope that the record will live and live and live. You know, for a long time, be a timeless record, a record which is not all about fashion, but a record that people will always like. Audio, okay. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
This song's tempo is
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh, why do I have 28? Now we do the final backup. All the tracks for me to take back to London, and that's it. We're done.
Yep.
The album is done. Your drive.
Hey, 高停了，要
everything.
右边。
Finally.
打死你！谢谢他。
So is it hot pot tonight?
Yes.
Excellent. Hot pot. Hot pot.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!